back to my channel. Today is going to be an amazing day. I love chocolate so much. If you do too, please comment down below. You know, we love all the chocoholics out there. Today we're going to be doing a DIY chocolate to gift ideas for people that love chocolate. This is a collab with Livy's Life, and I'll get more into her channel later on. So please make sure to subscribe, join the channel. I do DIY stuff every single week, so stick around for that. Without further ado, let's get chocolatiering. Is that a word? I don't care. Alright, let's go. So we are going to be starting off by making this amazing magic shell, and for those of you that don't know what it is, it's basically chocolate that when you pour it over ice cream it turns into this amazing hardened shell. So I left all the ingredients that I used in the first slide, so feel free to pause on it. I also am going to be linking the websites that I found all these recipes at, because I did not create these recipes on my own, so definitely go make sure to check them out. So I am mixing 1 cup of chocolate, and you can use any kind of chocolate you want, whether that's dark chocolate, milk chocolate, literally anything. There's all sorts of chocolates that you could use, and mixing that with 3 tablespoons of hardened coconut oil, and by that I just mean room temperature, and in 30-second increments just heat it up in the microwave and stir it until it's this really nice liquidy form. And then after you wait for it to become room temperature again, you can pour it into another container. I'm just using a bunch of plastic containers in this video that I found off of Amazon, and I know that they'll be really helpful for various reasons, so highly recommend. And this part is totally optional, but I also put sprinkles into another container because I think, and hear me out, I think this would be such a cute idea to give someone kind of like an ice cream kit kind of thing where you have sprinkles and the chocolate, even though ice cream is kind of a winter, ice cream is kind of like a summer thing, but you know what, it doesn't really matter. So as you can see here, I'm just spooning some of the magic shell that I made onto ice cream, and it hardens so fast and it's so cool, so this is definitely a must try. Moving on to this chocolate coconut scrub that I'm making. This is so cool. So you just mix brown sugar with some coconut oil, and you can just vary these however much you want to your personal taste. I ended up adding so much more sugar than the recipe called for because I just like that texture a lot more. So you just combine all the ingredients. I am not able to keep up with all the ingredients that I put in, and just mix it. I know it looks a little bit strange, but you know what? It ends up turning out so amazing in the end. It smells so good. I wish I could let you guys smell it, but it is amazing. And when you just scrub it onto like the back of your hand or your skin or whatever, and then wash it off, it leaves your skin feeling amazing. So definitely an amazing gift idea for anyone that loves chocolate and loves, you know, taking care of their skin. So like I mentioned earlier in the video, today's video is a collab with Livy's Life. She has the most fun personality ever, so positive. She does lifestyle, fashion. Recently I saw like gift ideas and like a lot of other aesthetic videos. I will be leaving the link to her channel in the description box below, so definitely go make sure to check her out. You know what's really funny is that we have the same birthday. So any like April 10th birthdays out there, please let us know. That would be really cool actually. She's also doing a DIY gift video, so definitely go make sure to check her out for ideas. Do it. Last but not least, we'll be making a DIY hot cocoa kit, and this works for about 4 to 5 servings. So you just take some unsweetened cocoa powder, some sugar, some marshmallows, and some chocolate. So easy, but just make sure if you're giving it to someone else, you will need to attach a set of instructions on how to prepare it, and I'll attach it in the video just so they know what to do. But other than that, this is so easy. You can make cute labels for any of these, and I feel like that would be amazing. So yeah, definitely a must try as well. So that is it for this week's video. I hope you all enjoyed. Next week, we will probably be doing a DIY how to wrap your gifts. So make sure to stick around for that. Subscribe for all the weekly DIY tutorials. And with that being said, I hope you have an amazing day, an amazing week, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!